The day throws a lot at us. Deadlines, conversations, wins, losses, noise. It piles up and becomes heavy until you take a moment to set it down. Right here I let go. The flame lights. The cigar breathes life. Smoke rolls upward, carrying away the weight of the day. Every inhale reminds me I made it through. Every exhale releases what I no longer need to hold on to. Cooking is the same. It slows me down. The sound of the pan, the rhythm of the knife, simple and grounding. It's a reminder that life doesn't need to move at all. Sometimes, the reset is found in the small, quiet rituals. This isn't about escaping. It's about realigning, returning back to center, clearing space for tomorrow. I can attack again with focus, strength, and purpose. Tonight, I sit with the silence. I sit with the smoke, and I sit with the food, and I let the chaos of the world fade into the background, because peace isn't something you stumble into. Peace is something you create for yourself. This is my reset, my ritual, my way of stepping back into balance. Tomorrow will come, but right now, this moment is mine. Ema Yuvan.